In this video, we will show you how to make elastic bracelets with natural stones. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious unique gifts. We produce jewelry, handmade jewelry and fashion accessories and house accessories. We are also involved in slow fashion, so if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please hit the subscribe button down below. So today I'm going to show you how to make, as I said, bracelets. So for these I've chosen 3 types of natural stones. So I've got stones for 1 bracelet in here, for 2 in here, and for 1 in here. So the red one and the blue ones, they're approximately the same size, which will be lengthwise 0.5, about 0.5 centimeters. So this is the one, and they've got a big hole which will allow a 1 millimeter so elastic cord. I've chosen the, it's not wide, but it's see-through elastic cord for all of them, in order to not impact the color of the bracelet. So first of all, I want to show you how do we know that they are natural stones, so, and they're not glass or other imitation. The natural stones are very good conduits of heat in this case, so, and they always will feel cold. So that's why how we know them. They will also be cooler on touch comparably to the glass ones. So I want to establish that. Secondly, for a bracelet, for a normal elastic bracelet, we'll have to get a roughly 18 to 19 centimeters cord, in this case elastic cord, of course, and I've got about 22 centimeters in here in order to account for the knot. How many stones do we need? For 8.5 we need roughly 22 stones for a 0.5 centimeter lengthwise. Then these ones, the white ones, they're a little bit bigger, so they're about 0.8 centimeters. So then we'll need less, roughly 18, 19, depending. So in order to make and finish these bracelets, I just want to, from the beginning, I want to say that these are made for some friends, so they've got meanings. So for the white bracelet, I have chosen a natural sea shell, which will bring this person closer to the nature and the ocean. For these two, I've got a key for a single lady, which is key to the heart, and I've got a Buddha head for another one for protection and blessing. And for my other friend who has got the red ones, I've got the Hamza or Buddha's hand for protection. And also for some more finishing, I want to put some tassels, white ones for this, and then with blue will go silver better, and with red of course will go the red better. What else I need? I need a stopper. I've got jump rings to connect everything. My tools would be my pliers, a pair of scissors, and also just glue, some craft glue. So since I had about 22 centimeters, that was a bit of a poor judgment from me. I should have more, because in order to tie the knot, it's going to be very, very difficult. So that's why I'm using, in here I'm using this, I'm using another tool. However, usually better is to tie 2 times the knot, which I've done it once, and this is the second time, which I've got the other end, thankfully. So usually now what I've learned from this exercise, we have to have, for a 22 centimeter, for 18-19 centimeter, we'll have to have at least 24-25 in order to do a better job. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to roll them around in order to put this through now. This has to be through. So, okay, so here, I've got it through. Now all I need to do is to cut it off. So perhaps in another exercise I will show you better. So this is here, it's hidden now and it's good. So done and finished this one, which is one, and these 2 that I've just said to you, I've just put another one in here, just like a charm or something in there to make it more interesting, and I left this plain. So now all I need to do is to attach. So I'm gonna start as usual with the red one, since I have done the red one already. So I'm just gonna put this back into the knotted, and then we just do this one. So what I need to do is get the jump rings, and I want to put this one first. Okay, so it's just gonna be around here, and for better, I'm gonna use this. So to connect this better, or to finish this better. Since this is a bit strong, it's gonna take a bit more effort. So yeah, so that's done. So what I will do is, I'll do the Buddha hand and these 2. Okay, so one more. So it's gonna be in here, and I'm going to use this metal shell, which I think is gonna add variety and beauty to this. Oh, sorry about that. Variety and beauty. So that's the one. Okay, so there you go. So I just finished the first one, and I'll show you very soon when I finish the other ones. So that's the first one. Okay, this I think is really cute. Hi, so as you see, just finished these 3 types or 4 bracelets. So this was with the Buddha's hand for love and protection. This and tassels. This was with key to the heart and tassels, and this was with Buddha's hand for protection and prosperity, and this was with seashell and the tassels for bringing closer to the nature. Thanks for watching. Please stay humble and wonderful.